Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we'll show you how to remove and replace the air filter on Mazda CX-7 2.3 turbo engine. Stay with us, guys. We'll demonstrate how to do that. The 2.5 might be exactly the same procedure, but we haven't had a chance to work on one yet. We will have many videos because we're doing engine replacement on a few of those. Okay, you can see we have a parts car here, so stay with us, guys, and let's go ahead and remove and replace the filter now. So you can see that's the air filter box right here. So in order to replace the air filter, we have a few clips that we will need to get loose now. You can see, like the one right here, you just pop those open. There is one there, okay, one on the other side. Some people do it without removing the intake hose. We're going to go ahead, get it loose and remove it, because otherwise you can damage it. Because you need to pull the lid a little bit to the top so you can get the air filter out of the box, okay. And now you can just go ahead, pick it up, okay, a little bit like that. You can see, flip it on the side, that's where the air filter is located. On this one, looks like it's like brand new. It does have a little bit of you can see contamination, but it doesn't look bad at all so far. So when you get the new one, all you need to do, guys, install it there, okay, like that. Make sure you get the lid, install this one. You can go ahead and snap the little clips before you even install the intake hose. Make sure that it's where it's supposed to be. Okay, you can see, just trim 4 metal clips. Okay, 2 on this side, 1 there and 1 here. And all we need to do is install the intake hose, get it tight, because if you don't, your car might not even run. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Let's grow the channel together. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.